everybody. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of AjayAstromoneyGuru.com. Welcome all of you today on 17 June 2021. In this episode, I will discuss about my views on Indian stock market as well as certain stocks which I am expecting to show significant movement in the next few trading days. Before we move ahead, let us first recall my previous analysis on certain stocks which I mentioned in the yesterday's episode. And in the yesterday's episode, I have mentioned about the metal and power stocks, and I strongly recommended and strongly put my views that these stocks are expected to show profit booking, and similarly, things are visible on the screen in the today's market as well as in the yesterday's market. I have mentioned Steel Authority of India, Power Grid, Hindalco, Hindustan Copper, Vedanta. These stocks have shown significant profit booking in the second half of yesterday's session, as well as they are showing gap down opening in the today's session also. Since yesterday the Fed meeting outcome had released, and Fed keep the interest rate unchanged at the level of 0.25%. But the major and key factor which we should consider and which the whole global markets are considering is number one, that Fed had announced that they are expected to rise the interest rates at the end of 2023, which was previously set up to 2024. This 1 year preponement of the interest rates hike, as well as there were 7 votes for the interest rates hike in the Fed meeting, which the global markets have taken as a negative impact on the overall liquidity in the American markets for the long term perspective, and due to which the American markets have seen significant profit booking in the yesterday's session, and also the American futures are trading quite lower in the today's session, and also its impact can be seen on the Nifty also, as Nifty opened around 120 points down from its previous close and made low at the level of 15644. Although it is showing some recovery from the lower levels, and it is currently trading at around 15,740, and there is a very important resistance level at the level of 15,750, and if Nifty manages to trade above 15,750 for around 30 minutes, then it is expected to show further positive movement. And now I will discuss about Steel Authority of India, my views on Steel Authority of India, what should the traders and investor should consider further in Steel Authority of India, that I will discuss now. So as I mentioned in the yesterday's and session, as well as from Friday session, that is from 11 June 2021, I am bearish, and I was bearish in the Steel Authority of India, and similarly things can be seen in Steel Authority of India, that is SAIL. After making high at the level somewhere around 140, it has shown significant profit booking, as I have mentioned in my previous episodes also of the yesterday's and day before yesterday's, as well as on the Monday's episode. Today also it made low at the level of 127.35, but from its lower levels it is showing some profit booking, and it is currently trading at around 132.5 and 132 levels. But from now I am expecting some more profit booking can be seen in the Steel Authority of India for the really short term perspective. And if you remember few months back, when Steel Authority of India was trading at around 40 to 50 rupees, at that time I uploaded an episode especially on Steel Authority of India, mentioning that I am expecting positive movement in Steel Authority of India for next few trading months. And similarly things can be seen, and from 50 rupees it crossed the level of 100 rupees, as well as it manages to made high at the level of 140 also, and at around 10th and 11th May, it made it high at the level of 150. So from 50 to 150, 100 points journey, which is 200% returns in only 3 months. But now I am expecting some profit booking in Steel Authority of India for the short term perspective. Therefore, you need to be very careful in sale, that is Steel Authority of India, and you should plan your trade accordingly. To get our advanced analysis, you can contact us for the paid services. Our contact details are flashing on the screen as well as they are mentioned in the description. Also, you can join our Telegram channel whose link is mentioned in the description. So that's all for the today's episode. See you in the next episode. Thank you and good day.